This is the beginning of a new tutorial series on this YouTube channel that will show you all the steps to make a complete VR game from scratch to release. It will cover not only the main element of making a VR game in Unity, like custom hands, grabbing, using grab object, snapping, button, lever, wheels, continuous movement, teleportation or climbing, but this series will be a unique opportunity for me to share with you some more advanced details on how to apply this technique in a real game. From building a VR environment, using shader graph to make special effects, optimizing the scene for VR, or even blending narrative into your gameplay. This might be the biggest project that I ever created on this channel, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. From that point on, a new episode of this series will be released every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to subscribe to not miss it. I will share with you all the tools that I use to make this game, but the final Unity project will be available on my Patreon. So if you'd like to support my work and get access to exclusive content, you can join us, the link is in the description. So I hope you guys are excited for what's coming. This is kind of a way to thank you all for the amazing support. We've reached 20,000 subscribers on this channel last week. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you and see you very soon. Bye bye.